Imagine this. You step out in the morning ready to start your day. You grab a coffee, tap your card, and it declines. That flash of confusion. You try again, declined. You check your phone, and there it is. Your entire bank account frozen. No warning, no explanation, just locked. The digital door to your own money has been slammed shut. So what do you do in the next 48 hours? How do you survive and get your hands on real, usable cash? First thing, stay calm and open your banking app. Don't look at the frozen balance. Look for an option called cardless cash or something similar. Even when your card is dead, many banks let you pull out small amounts using a one-time PIN or a QR code at their ATM. It's often the fastest way to get emergency money. If that doesn't work, or if there's no ATM nearby, it's time for Plan B, your backup digital wallets. Think PayPal, Cash App, Apple Cash, Wise. These are often separate systems from your bank and can remain active. The move here is simple. Send money to a friend you trust, someone who can immediately go to an ATM and pull out the cash for you. It's fast, it's safe, and it's completely legal. Also, don't forget your credit cards. A frozen bank account doesn't automatically mean your credit line is blocked. If the freeze is just on your deposits, your credit card might still work for essentials like groceries, gas, and a hot meal. But let's say you need physical cash today, and the digital routes are a dead end. It's time to look around your own home. You're probably surrounded by quick value items you've forgotten about. That old phone sitting in a drawer, the tablet you replaced last year, that stack of gift cards you never used. What about power tools in the garage? Or a kitchen appliance still in its box? These are your immediate offline assets. Don't underestimate their value. Most pawn shops, secondhand electronic stores, and even some mobile repair places will give you cash on the spot. No bank, no credit check, just a simple transaction that puts money directly into your pocket. It's a powerful lifeline when you're completely cut off from the digital banking system, a way to turn forgotten clutter into immediate, tangible relief. If that still isn't enough, think about your structural supports. Do you have a job? Your employer might be your next best option. It can feel awkward, but ask for a paycheck advance. You'd be surprised how many companies are willing to help their employees in a genuine crisis. They can often get you part of your upcoming salary within a few hours. This is one of the cleanest and safest ways to get emergency money because it's not a loan. There are no fees, no interest, no debt. And if you've exhausted all these personal options, look outwards to your community. Check your local government's website for same-day emergency assistance. Many cities and provinces have rapid fund programs designed for situations exactly like this, for when someone's access to their own money suddenly and completely disappears. The truth is, seeing your account frozen is terrifying. It makes you feel powerless, but you are not powerless. You have options. You have multiple backup systems you can activate, and you have ways to stay afloat until the freeze is lifted, and you can sort out the underlying problem. It's a stark reminder of how fragile our financial systems can be. They can freeze your access, but they cannot freeze your ability to act. So stay calm, stay smart, and always keep at least one backup plan ready for a day you hope never comes.